Shadow ban, shadow ban, shadow ban. Shadow ban here and there. Are you having reduced video views on a YouTube channel? Are you having lower search rankings? Have you seen decreased recommendations? And do you see some of your comments being hidden or removed? Do you have some sort of limited engagement on your channel? That is likes, dislikes, or comments? Now, if you find yourself within these categories that I've actually talked about, then it's likely YouTube has shadow banned your channel. Yes, it's so sad to actually have yourself in this particular condition. Now, the question is, what is this shadow ban all about? I'm going to take time in this particular video to explain to you, to let you understand what this shadow ban is all about and its implication on your channel, and how to actually stay away from that, to also save your channel, and how to also check if you have been shadow banned or not. Now, let me welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This is Smart. Yes, and this is Smart Tutorial YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time joining me over here, all that I do over here is to actually guide you through your YouTube journey so that we can grow together and we can be successful together. And so kindly click on the subscribe button, be part of us, so that all the times you can actually enjoy some of these powerful and brilliant tutorials on my channel over here. Now, let's get straight into this particular topic for the day. Now, this shadow ban I'm talking about is a situation whereby YouTube actually limits your channel from certain countries. Now, what it means is that your channel's visibility in some countries will be limited, and as a result, some people will not be able to have access to your channel. All right. So when it happens this way, it's actually going to affect your channel negatively. And those are what I actually first mentioned to you. Now, you're going to experience decreased in views. Not only that, you're also going to have some sort of lower search rankings. Someone can even search for your channel, but will not be able to actually have access to it. Yes, in some parts of the world. And then it can also get you decreased recommendations. You see, YouTube does recommend our videos to other people. But when you are shadow banned, it's going to decrease the rate at which YouTube is actually going to recommend your videos to other people. And then you're actually also going to see that some of your comments have been removed or hidden. And another one is the limited engagement. It's so worrying. Okay, so now let me take you through on how to be able to actually find out and know that your channel is either shadow banned or not. Open your Google Chrome browser, and then at the search space, you enter YT large. Great. ytlarge.com, and then you search for that. Good. So you wait patiently for it to open, and now when it opens, this is exactly how it's going to show on your screen. All right. So all these that you see actually have their specific functions. Okay, but for the sake of this particular video, we're actually going to concentrate on this one, that is YouTube shadow ban detector. So this is actually going to help us to be able to determine if your channel is shadow banned, if your channel is restricted in some other parts of the world, in some countries. And so quickly, what you've got to do is to click on that. Right. So now, YouTube shadow ban detector. The YouTube shadow ban detector is a free tool that allows you to check if any channel is in shadow ban. Find out if there is a shadow ban on channel. So what you've got to do here is that it's actually requesting you to paste a channel or video URL. So we're going to get a channel URL, that is your link, your direct link. So what you're going to do is quickly, let's go onto YouTube and then copy our link. Great. So we are now on YouTube now. Let me click on the name, and then to copy your link straight away on the three dots over here, you click on that, and then you click on share, and then you click on copy link. Great. So now we've copied our YouTube link, and we're actually going to paste it over there. All right, let's continue from there. Okay, so we are going to paste it over here, and then we see what's actually going to happen. Okay, so then You see there are some numbers over here. You need to enter these numbers. 765 765, submit. Let's wait patiently. Good. So now these are the details. Okay, so the channel ID, URL, that's Atta Smart Tutorials. That is the channel. We copied the link, and then it was created on September 27, 2024, 8 days ago. Yes, that's actually my new channel. Yes, located in Ghana. So it's actually giving you all the details about the channel, and then it will get to where the restriction is to actually let you know whether there have been the restrictions or not. So now, die code, that's the country code, religion and stuff, blah blah blah. Then this is where the whole thing actually resides. So regions where this channel is restricted. So as you can see, there are no restrictions on this particular channel. So it's a good news to Atta Smart Tutorials. But hey, if you check and then you see there are some restrictions over here, then you need to work on that. And that means you have been shadow banned. Sometimes you can check and then you will see that there are some countries your channel is restricted from showing over there. And so what happens that way, it becomes a big blow to your channel, and it is something that you need to take time, work on it, so that your channel will be once again actively in all the countries across the globe. All right, so now when the channel is restricted in any of the following regions, the automation detects the restriction and reflects it to you. 249 regions in total. So you see there are a number of countries over here. So anytime you are restricted in any of these countries, quickly this detector, this shadow ban detector, will be able to actually get it over here at where it says that regions where this channel is restricted. So that is it, and that is exactly how to actually find out if your channel is restricted or shadow banned. So now this channel is free from restrictions. Okay, now if you check and you could see that there are some countries listed over here, meaning that your channel has been shadow banned in those countries, please, there are some things to do to be able to lift that ban from your channel. Now begin to follow the YouTube community guidelines and all the policies. If you're not familiar, I will encourage you and I will urge you to actually read about the YouTube policies, the community guidelines and all that. Anything that's in connection with YouTube, please take your time, read and understand it very, very well, so that gradually, if YouTube begins to notice that you are complying, you are going in line with their rules, regulations and all that, they will definitely remove the ban or lift the ban from your channel. And so, as I said in the beginning of this video, if you begin to see that you are getting low views, your videos are not recommended, sometimes when you go to your studio, you can be able to check if YouTube is recommending your videos, and so begin to sense that your videos are not recommended, then quickly get onto this platform, that is ytlarge.com, and then begin to do this quick check to find out if your channel is not shadow banned. So thank you very much for your time over here on my YouTube platform. In fact, I give out tutorials like this to help you grow your channel. And so if this happens to be your first time and you would want to be receiving messages like this, tutorials like this, good information like this, please do well to click on the subscribe button. Be part of this family as I give you all that I know. In fact, the experience I have over here on this platform for a number of years on my other channels is so great that I decided to actually share some of these with you, and I'm sure this particular video has given you the value that you've been waiting for. So thank you very much. Don't forget to share this particular video to help other people as well. Thank you and God bless you.